am not this body is mine. I am not this mind is mine. I am not the thought, this thought is mine. I am not this emotion is mine. So, no emotion should disturb me, no thought should disturb me, the mind should not disturb me, and the body should not disturb me. I am not this body is mine. I am not this mind is mine. I am not this emotion is mine. So I have the power to change the emotions. If there is a sad emotion, I don't have to immerse in that sadness. I have the power to change the emotion. I am not this thought is mine. So I don't have to caught into my thought. I have the power to change my thoughts. Whatever thoughts, whatever thinking is coming, I have the power to change it. Whatever emotional feeling is there, I have the power to change it. Similarly, within the body, if some complication is there, I have the power to change it. Because I am the Supreme, I am the being of light, I am Satchitanand, I am Parabrahma. And through this body, I am experiencing this world. This third dimension, I am experiencing through this body. So instead of feeling emotional about every incident, learn to witness every incident. Develop a habit of witnessing. If you are sitting here on this chair, witness that this body is sitting on the chair. If you are feeling comfortable, witness that this body is feeling comfortable. If you are talking to somebody, witness that you are talking. If someone is speaking harsh words, witness that someone is speaking harsh words. Do not get immersed into this. Because the self-realized soul is the one who sits on the lotus. The Buddha, if you will see his photograph, he is sitting on the lotus. Any self-realized saint sitting on the lotus. The gods, they are sitting on the lotus. It is symbolic. Lotus grows in the mud. But as it grows, not even a drop of mud remain attached to the lotus. It is absolutely clean. Whereas in that mud, if you will put your hand will become dirty. But lotus is so beautiful that it will not be dirty. And the reason is that lotus is witnessing. Lotus is witnessing all the garbage which is there outside, and lotus is witnessing its own self. So learn to witness every incident rather than feeling sad or horrified or miserable or scared what will happen. Only this will happen, what you will create, that will happen.